Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Hear me I say, become a member of the channel, which is going really fast. The channel is going so quick. Become a member, get some exclusive reactions and just some exclusive chat with your boy. You know, by hitting the join button next to the subscribe button. You understand? Yes, become a member of the channel. You know what I mean? Yes. Binds. I'm not gonna bind later.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's came here with another reaction. Hey, guys, today we are with Eddy Bomba. Yes, Eddy Bomba, the man of the moment, with Hush Puppi. So, as in it's an official music video. Hush Puppi is, Hush Puppi is a Nigerian scammer who got investigated by the FBI and now he's serving time in prison in America, I believe. So, Hush Puppi was a rich nigga, bro, like literally. But let's jump in on here with the G officer, cause you know we don't know what I say. Let's go. As the video starts, y'all about to jump out the door. Let's go. Let's see what I go on.
Dog, if you want to me get curved, get that. Make any program tell me say this and me and
Ooh, look at the moms, them, look at the moms, them.
Gucci clothes are from me, daddy. More come on, sick of me. Me have that coat up and every my drip.
Yo, wait, we got the production team first of all. We got the production team. We're not big enough yet. Big up on the set. Do all I know.
That a float a galigani. Dirty jagger night place. We start brick. We have your puzzle like maze. Active right now.
Take off the glass now, man. Take off the glass now, man. Not dust, not sessa, man.
Dirty jagger night place. We start brick. We have your puzzle like maze. Active right now.
Dirty jagger night place. Start bricks. You have because it like this. Yeah, what?
I run up by a way. Toxic. Me gas color nightmare. Last stick. Me Bobby.
The gas color nightmare. That's the. Yeah, inside different, you know. Inside different for real, for real.
Rubber high rain. Athletes. Like the sun in night day. Hot swift. Couple puff of 5 crane. Tactics.
The boss, alright. Me see why it's called Hush Puppi. Like I said earlier on, Hush Puppi was a Nigerian scammer. Who is now being convicted for the scamming. The G dressed like a African. Yeah. African. Yeah.
Because of what I like, a stitch. That me rich like Hush Puppi. Money dirty and stink and mud mucky.
See me telling about Hush Puppi. If you don't know, just type him in Instagram. You will see him lifestyle. I think him Instagram page is still up anyway. Hush Puppi.
Clear the Benz off a wharf and custom me. Me drift that nearly crash over some gully.
Bucklat. Clear the Benz off a wharf and custom me. Me drift that I nearly crash over one gully.
That me rich like Hush Puppi. Money dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the Benz off a wharf and custom me.
What want to say about that one? What want to say about that one? What want to say about that one, dog? What want to say? Also, the people them who, alright, the amount of people who subscribe, there's more people unsubscribed than subscribe watching the channel. Can you please drop a sub, please? I would appreciate it. Thank you.
Drift that nearly crash over some gully. Tell me it and you tell me live not the future. Me scared not the coupe and go scrape up the moon top. Never
Nah, pull it up, man. Nah, pull it up. Me stepping at the scoop and nearly scrape up the moon top. What? Me pull it up. I pull it apart. What I'm saying.
it and you tell me live not the future. Me scared not the coupe and go scrape up the moon top. Never.
I saw how. Yo. That flow there. Where you find that one, you know? It's a different flow, isn't it, dog?
Rich and go switch from the crew, me not Judas. We dripping and you bring me Canada go stop.
Nah, go rich and go switch from the crew that a Judas. You know they pan that. Mom's cock up in, man. A 10.
With the official chap, I want button press, have a bossy drop top.
With the official chap, one button press and the bossy drop top. Know that, no man.
Them say me sign buffer contract. Buffer contract.
Them say me sign buffer contract, Baphomet contract. Instead them sign to the devil. Boss I tell you nothing like that, brother. Look on the floor. Be $100 bills.
Clothes are from Italy. Mocha must sick of me. Me have the porch up and every my drift.
Mocha, wanna sick of him, Mocha? Wanna sick of him? I'm music, boss. I say, I don't know anything. I gotta say. Why buy it?
That a float a garlic. She overdose, she pop the Mali. Of course she must lick a dick. Shoot.
She she pop the Mali. Of course she must lick a dick. Somebody wife that, you know? Somebody wife that cock up, so. Like a 10. Cock up is a 10.
Me shot, me score them like robbery. You're supposed to can't imagine.
What I'm saying? Me shot, me skull them like Ribari. Big ball like Ribari. Me shot him, skull them like Ribari. Well, like when Ribari I shoot to the goal. Them I shoot. I get it.
Damn me rich like 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Money dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the
dance away, man. We can't do it. I dance away, man, dog.
Benz off a wharf and custom me drift that nearly crash over some gully. Damn me rich like 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Money.
They got the moms. Yo, the girl them a wind up in a girl like wind, you know? The girl them a wind up in a video them like wind, brother, like no joke.
Dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the Benz off a wharf and custom me drift that nearly crash over some gully.
Yo, the man style is different, bro. Man style is different. Remember, say one police, so police, if you see none of them BC come, just step aside. Once again, big up the production team. Yeah, once again, big up the production team. Yo, the rhythm bad. Because I'm pausing so much, one can go find the full song without no pausing on them channel and all a vibe to it. You see me? This is how we do it over here. Yeah.
Damn me rich like 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Money dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the
Big up a G where my car on the phone. I know what big up yourself, my fam. Yeah.
Benz off a wharf and custom me drift that nearly crash over some gully. Damn me
Drift that nearly crash over some gully. Beast. Yo.
Rich like 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Money dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the Benz off a wharf and custom me drift.
What I wanna say? Energy season same here, right? Still not
that
season.
nearly crash over some gully.
Divine Global, big up yourself. Yeah. Divine Global, big up yourself. What I wanna say about that one I do? But no. Yeah, man. Energy are doing thing, man. Energy are go on, man. Energy are go on. No joke. Energy are go on. No joke. Yes. Yo, Eddy, big up yourself, my bro. Big up the production team, like me say. Who is the production team? Can I find them? Who is the production team? I don't see them myself. I see him booking team and thing. Production team, big up on yourself. Eddy fans, drop us up on the channel, man. Yeah, man, drop us up on the channel and like your video, man. Just like your video, man. Like your video. You'll see it. But yeah, I'm going to leave the one right here. So please do remember, become a member to the channel, guys. Become a member to the channel. I'm starting to drop some exclusive reaction over for members only. Alright? Members only. So, do the right. Don't make the right do no. I'll catch you in the next one.
Peace. It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And this is a rap connect.